Okay, welcome back. In this video, it's just going to be a short 3 videos on these 3 Sonos speakers here, just with a little verdict, just to tell you my final thoughts before I close off these Sonos videos, to tell you in what circumstance I think they are good value, and well, just my final thoughts really. So it's going to be some short ones. I've given a more in-depth review in my comparison video for the 3, so I think this is just more of a quick one for people to look at. But so we're going to start with the Sonos Move here. I would struggle to recommend this, to be honest. It's a very nice looking thing, a very nice product, high quality. It's got a nice design to it. It's got it does sound good, but for me, it's the price. This is £400 this speaker, and for that money, you could get so many things that are better. And I find it really hard to justify, especially the Bluetooth version of these, where Sonos are actually a bit out of their league anyway, a bit out of their comfort zone, because they make home speakers really. So to be honest, I mean, while the quality is very good, oh dear. All the touch buttons are very nice. The mic is very good. It's a technically very good speaker. Considering the fact it's not very durable, it's expensive, not very easy to carry around, it's heavy. I couldn't recommend it. I would recommend a Boombox 2, one of the party boxes, any of the Sonos party boxes, the Sony SRS like Boombox alternative, the UE Hyperboom. They're all cheaper than this, and they're all better. So I really struggle to recommend it. And to be honest, I can't see in which scenario you would use it over one of those. So for the Sonos Move, I would give it a pass, and I would get one of those other ones. Again, if you want to see a little bit more detail about the speaker and obviously hear it, then you can have a look at my comparison video. But really, I think the verdict for this one is a pass.